this is my project, and what we were doing was redoing our whole upstairs on the second floor. Have done the rest of my house and was looking for a different contractor. Came upon Russ and his crew from a friend of mine who recently redid their bathroom. I love the work, so I got his number and been very happy with the team. Some of the things that we redid, like the major things, was we reconfigured the bathroom, which it was a totally different layout. Love the way the layout came. Love the custom closets that I had done, and my shower is just amazing. The detailed work on it turned out so great. I would definitely recommend Russ and his team. They were super helpful. He would listen to my concerns, or if anything needed to be redone, he would do it happily. And I am a picky person, and Russ and his team would do what I wanted them to do. They would clean up each night and left a clean work environment. They were super friendly and nice to my kids, and they were great to work with.